how to fix Samsung Smart TV remote not working. So this is going to reconnect, resync your Samsung Smart TV remote, like as you can see here, to your Smart TV or your Samsung Smart TV. So what you're going to want to do for this is take your Samsung Smart TV remote. It's the small little one here. I've got a tutorial on the other remote if you have it, but what you're going to want to do is press and hold the play pause button and the back button at the same time. As you can see here, make sure it's going towards the sensor on your Samsung Smart TV right there. Press and hold it, and then once you've pressed and hold it for about 5 seconds, you should see at the top there where it says connecting to Samsung Smart TV remote. It should do the loading signal at the top part of the screen. It should take a few seconds, and then eventually you'll see where it says pairing complete. It will have paired your remote to your TV, it's synced together, it should be able to use it. If not, the batteries might be out. If that battery's redone and recharged and it doesn't work, your Samsung Smart TV remote will be broken and you'll need to buy a new one. So leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.